guys, in this video I will be using this gel to do a wash and go on my hair. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. So I already made the parting in my hair. I really like side parts, so I just did that off camera, and I also put my leave-in conditioner off camera, but my hair is kind of dry, as in my hair dried with the leave-in conditioner. So I am going to just apply some water before adding the gel. I have used the gel before with a mousse. I will put that on the screen, but I don't know how the gel will work by itself. It does have a ginger smell to it because it is the Hawaiian ginger moisturizing styling gel from the Mielle Moisture RX collection. So I will just put this much to start. I think I'll emulsify a little bit. Let's see if it works. And it does feel nice. It has some type of moisturizing agent because my hair does feel soft with it. It's not like the Wetline Extreme Gel where as you put it on it will clump your curls but your hair will also dry out. I don't think it's like that based on what I have used before. This is feeling how it first felt when I used it before applying the mousse. I don't really like it because the curls aren't really clumping. I guess I will have to do some shingling, but honestly speaking, I don't think I have the patience for it. But we will see. We will just have to see. Well, the curls are starting to clump now that I'm working in smaller sections. Probably I will have better results working in smaller sections, maybe. Who knows? But I'm not liking how this gel is acting by itself. I'll add a little bit more, like probably about this much, because I want my curls to clump as much as possible. So this is what the first section is looking like, and I'll just continue going like that. This is a gel from the top of the container because I don't want any of the gel to actually go to waste. So we will see how the gel continues to act. But so far so okay. I can't complain too much. We'll see how it dries, because my hair does feel really soft with the gel. I think I would have had the same reaction if I'd used it alone, but I am honestly not sure. Alright, so based on what I'm feeling with these two small sections, I think I can work with it. I just have to apply it in smaller sections because my hair doesn't react to it as well in big sections. So I'll continue in the small sections. And I'll show a montage, and I will be back when my whole hair is completed. Hopefully it won't take that much time. I will tell you how much time it took, but yes, we'll see what happens. Alright guys, so here are the wet results. I am going to diffuse my hair because I really don't want to go to sleep with my hair wet like this. So I will be back after I've diffused to give my final thoughts. Alright, so after diffusing, I am back and here are my results. I had to spend a little more time just making sure that everything was dry because this gel, as I suspected, does have glycerin as its second ingredient, which is apparently supposed to be a moisturizing component. I didn't use a lot, so I'm thankful that my results didn't feel like that of the Camille Rose and the Do Mousse Def, but I have to revisit the Camille Rose to see if it was just the pairing or if my hair just doesn't like the gel, but I digress. Sad to say, I do not like my results. This is a cute style, don't get me wrong, and the definition is decent, don't get me wrong, but it has zero hold, so I'm not expecting this to last long. I could be wrong, so if I am indeed wrong, you will see them in the progress pictures that I will post on Instagram. So if you're not following me, definitely go and follow me over there so that you don't miss out on my natural hair journey. But I do not necessarily like these results. I can tell that the definition is going to disappear and that I will have to do another style to keep my hair from getting tangled, because I'm not going to wash my hair until another 7 to 10 days, so I have to make this work. If indeed the curls do disappear, I am going to just do some mini twists in my hair and call that a day, because like I said, I am not going to wash my hair so frequently because my hair needs a break from the constant manipulation. But I just don't like these results. I haven't watched any other video to see if other people's results are similar, but pertaining to a wash and go, I don't like this gel for a wash and go. It's probably great for a braid out, a twist out, or even mini twists, but for a wash and go, I don't like this gel at all. I will, however, rate it a 6 out of 10 because it has left my hair feeling really soft, softer than the results that I got from the Do Mousse Def, and I will put the card up above. But for wash and go, I'm not seeing this gel keeping my hair for a week. I'm not seeing that at all. My hair is just too soft.
3 days later.
Alright guys, so as you're seeing, my hair is in mini twists, and as I predicted, my hair did not go past day 1, which is when I usually install my hairstyle. As you would have remembered, I did not like my results and I didn't think that they would have lasted. Exhibit A. I should not be in mini twists if it lasted or if the gel worked out for my hair. So I will show you pictures of how my hair looked yesterday before I put in the mini twist. So I will put it on the screen now. And based on those results, I can indeed say that this gel does not work for wash and goes. I had very similar results when I used this gel with the mousse. I did indeed say at the beginning of that video that my results were great, but that same evening and the following day my hair was a frizz ball, and it wasn't until I refreshed my hair in the shower, I did everything in the shower, that I was able to get a good 3 days worth of wash and go curls. So I was not going to refresh my hair with this again because one, I'm almost out of this product, thank goodness, and two, I just don't have that time. Although my hair is much shorter, I just don't have that time. So really and truly, I don't like this gel. It still stands. I don't like this gel. My twists are very much moisturized, that much I can say. They do feel really soft, and I think that if I were to do a twist out, I could get 3 days worth of twist out curls. But for a wash and go, this gel is a no for me. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in seeing more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. Make sure to like this video so that it can be spread to those who are interested in trying this gel, and share this video with someone who is indeed interested in trying this gel but has no idea how it's going to work on a wash and go for their hair. Definitely send this video to them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.